Balance is like a number one priority for me because I know that I can't do anything else if one area of my life is kind of tipping.
I have 2 different jobs I work. I work one before class, one after class, and then you have chapter commitments within your organization. You have so many other extracurriculars. So it really does get hard to kind of balance them. But one thing I found that's really helpful is for me to write everything down.
I have 2 calendars. One calendar is strictly for like student government, student organizations, and then I also have a calendar for like anything school related. A strict calendar that says these are the due dates, and then once a day I try to like look at the due dates and say, okay, what do I need to get done today?
Just 10 minutes a day, kind of going through, okay, these are my goals for the semester. This is what I need to get done for my classes.
So I actually have the fun challenge of working between ADHD and anxiety. So for me, organization is key. So that's not only checklists and color-coded planners, it's also giving myself early deadlines to work around.
Try to figure out what's the most important tasks that I need to get done. And once you have the most important tasks taken care of, the rest of the tasks don't seem as daunting and you're able to go do them with an easier mindset. And it's also important to take time for yourself, I feel like.
Making time to rest and actually carving it out of my schedule, saying, okay, these 2 hours, I'm not going to a meeting, I'm not doing homework, I'm just going to relax and do something that will help me come back to me, has been a really big improvement to my mental health.